it's Stephanie with Cali'flour Foods. Welcome back. Look who I have today.
Hi guys, Rachel back in the house here. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so right now. We put new videos out once a week, and I gotta tell you, we've got some really amazing ones that we're recording today that you'll see over the course of the next several weeks, so subscribe right now.
Absolutely.
Now Stephanie, I've got a fun fact for you.
All right, bring it on.
Did you know that Americans eat about 3 hamburgers per week on average? 3.
Oh
I believe that. I love hamburgers.
Well, I know my boys consume probably their fair share and
easily.
probably your share as well. They love hamburgers.
That actually calculates to like 50 billion burgers every single year, which is incredible. I mean, I gotta say though, I don't always feel the best after eating a hamburger. You kind of get that like heavy feeling. So you've created a hamburger pizza using our cauliflower pizza crust that is low calorie, low carbohydrate, and I gotta tell you, it looks amazing. So you're gonna teach us how to do this, right?
Absolutely.
Yay.
So check it out. We basically garnished it with, dill pickles, tomatoes. You could also throw on some fresh lettuce to make it just like an authentic burger, some grilled onions. I went ahead, when I ground my ground beef, I went ahead and threw in some onions so we could get that flavor. But
so anything that you like on a pizza or on a hamburger,
yes,
you just put on your pizza.
Absolutely. So
awesome.
Let's check it out. This is how we did it. Bring on over our crust, which has been pre-baked at 375 for 12 minutes.
Yep.
So it's good to go. It's nice and firm. Okay.
Perfect.
So the really crazy thing about this, we're going to garnish this bad boy with a little bit of ketchup.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes. Mustard.
And mustard, because that's what we love on our burgers. If I could get the container open.
Sometimes I just use my teeth.
I have too many friends who are dentists and dental hygienists that would
don't do that at home,
kick
kids.
my butt if I did that. So we're just gonna smear that around. One of my favorite words is smearing. All right, so we're gonna get all of our crust doctored up with our ketchup and mustard. Voila.
I love this.
And then at our house, we like a combo of Jack and cheddar. So we put that on. You could use, Swiss, Munster, I mean, whatever you love to have on your burger. So we're gonna spread that out.
Awesome. This is so quick and easy. This is something that you can do in like a 20-minute, less than that, 15 minutes maybe.
Again, yeah. I mean, it's stuff that you've kind of done ahead. I went ahead and ground my ground beef up ahead, and this is actually pretty lean. We choose to eat organic and free range. We are really lucky here in town to have an amazing butcher shop, and those boys take care of me.
Love it.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pop that bad boy in the oven. If you want it at this time, you can add some onions or whatever else, maybe, heck, mushroom burger. You could throw bacon on that, make it a bacon burger pizza.
Wait a second, hold the phone. Okay, she had me at bacon. I'm such a bacon lover, that's amazing. So you pull it out of the oven, it comes out looking like that. Let's swap that out then. And then, heck, you could even drizzle some more mustard on there if you wanted to. You could I'd probably put some red onions and
or caramelize some onions and throw that on top. Oh yeah, sky is the limit, right?
All right, so in the wintertime when you can't hit your grill and you're like, I really miss having a hamburger at home, hamburger pizza, you guys.
Yeah.
Simple, easy, fresh.
Right on. Don't forget, 180 calories for that entire crust base. So, instead of that big bun that you'll be trucking to work the next morning, you're going to be feeling pretty fine.
All right. Well, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you let us know in the comments what you think about this recipe, and if you have any other ideas for future recipes. I mean, we want to hear what you have to think, and you could be featured in the Cauliflower Kitchen.
That's right. All right. From us here at Cali'flour, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.